Welcome to your latest weather update from the Met Office. Turning into quite a wet day across much of the United Kingdom. The satellite image shows an awful lot of cloud. Here's the UK, one swirl here, another one out in the Atlantic. That's a big area of low pressure. That dominates our weather and is throwing up these bands of showers. This one in particular brought some very heavy rain across parts of eastern England earlier, some thunderstorms mixed in, and it's all moving northwards. This rain is further west than we were expecting this time yesterday, so it is going to be a wetter day for northwest England and southwest Scotland. More rain to come over northeast England and southeast Scotland too. There'll be some showers following on across East Anglia and the southeast, but it is turning a bit drier and brighter here, and certainly compared to yesterday, it's a drier, brighter day for Northern Ireland, much of South Wales and southwest England with some sunshine. And mostly fine across the far northwest too. And it is pretty mild where it's dry. Temperatures well above average. Bit of sunshine in the south, 19 Celsius is possible, but it doesn't feel all that mild stuck under that cloud and rain over much of northern England and southern Scotland this afternoon. That will continue to spiral into parts of eastern Scotland through this evening and overnight. We'll eventually see some getting across the Highlands and the Western Isles too. So a fairly wet night across northern Scotland, drier and clearer to the south of that band of rain. And that could allow things to turn quite foggy across Northern Ireland, Northern England, parts of the Midlands for a time. And then the breeze picks up and further bands of showers come into the southwest. But that breeze is continually feeding warm air up from the south, so it is going to be a mild night. Friday is, broadly speaking, a day of sunshine and showers. I'm going to start with persistent rain over northern Scotland, but these bands of showers will head their way northwards and they'll dominate the weather through the day. Some heavy downpours, but tending to zip through because it will be quite blustery. Not too many getting to eastern England, so here actually a drier day to come tomorrow compared to today. And skies again should brighten across parts of northwest Scotland. Elsewhere, well, there'll be some brightness, but only between the showers, which will be heavy. As I said, zipping through on that fairly brisk wind. Temperatures again on the mild side. When the sun pops out between the showers, we could easily get into the mid to high teens. But when the showers come along, because of that wind, it will often feel cooler than that. As we go through Friday evening, the showers will continue to track northwards. Nowhere immune to them, I don't think, so bear that in mind if you're heading out on Friday night. You can see with the winds circulating around here, we've got a new area of low pressure situated across islands. That one will control our weather through Friday night. There's another one down to the southwest, but there is a little window between the two, a brief bump in the isobars, which suggests much of the south will be looking drier on Saturday before low pressure returns up from the southwest. So if we rewind the clock and run that sequence again, focusing where our winds are coming from, they're continually coming in from the southwest, so always drawing up that warmer air as we go through the weekend and probably beyond into next week as well. So the weekend won't be cold. It's going to be pretty mild through this weekend, but with those low pressure systems nearby, there are going to be showers around. So that little window suggesting much of the south will be dry on Saturday rather, but showers everywhere on Sunday. As I said, it's going to be mild both by day and by night. A full detailed weekend forecast will be available on our YouTube channels by Thursday afternoon.